Hi guys, samahan nyo kong mag-unbox nitong Cuisinart Fresh Slice na regalo pa sa akin nung mag-leave ako sa work. So first time na gagamitin ko siya. Comes with leaflets and recipe booklet. Lever. Comes with different cutting drums. Ito yung para sa coarse drum. Ito yung fine drum. And here's the other one. And the other one is kasama na siya dito sa machine. So, at ito yung slicing drum. So I'm gonna use this today and it looks pretty good. So ayan, may iba-ibang klase ng slicing na sample. So I'm excited. So, I'll let you know how is it. Okay, bye.